What is OneDrive Sync?
OneDrive Sync is a feature that automatically updates your files across computers, phones, and the web. When you use OneDrive, any file you add, edit, or delete in your OneDrive folder is instantly mirrored online. This makes it easy to keep your files up to date, no matter which device you're working on.
How does OneDrive Sync work?
OneDrive Sync works by connecting a folder on your device to your Microsoft Cloud storage. When you make changes in the folder, like saving a new document or editing a photo, OneDrive uploads those changes to your cloud account. Other devices signed in with the same account automatically receive the latest versions, keeping everything current.
Setting up OneDrive Sync.
To start syncing, sign into the OneDrive app with your Microsoft account. Choose the folders you want to sync. On Windows, OneDrive usually starts syncing automatically in the background. On Mac and mobile devices, you may need to install the app and select the folders to sync. Once set up, your selected files will update everywhere.
Ensuring your files stay updated.
For seamless syncing, make sure you have a reliable internet connection. If you go offline, OneDrive will sync your changes the next time you connect. Watch for a green checkmark icon, which means your files are up to date. Consider enabling notifications so you'll know if there's a sync issue or if you're running low on storage.
Troubleshooting sync issues.
If syncing stops, check that you're signed into OneDrive and connected to the internet. Restarting the app or your device can help. Make sure there's enough space on your device and in your cloud storage. You can also use OneDrive's built-in troubleshooter to identify and fix problems. Keeping your app updated ensures better performance and reliability.